Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hyvian Skin here. Today I'm so happy and excited to share this whipped fluffy body scrub with you all. Thank you guys for stopping by again. All my old and new subscribers, you guys are welcome. You guys are awesome. For you who's just passing by and clicked on this channel, thank you for mistakenly stumbling on my video. But if you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscription button as well as the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos and you will never miss out. Alright guys, this scrub is going to be the best scrub you've ever seen. Trust me. Okay? I say the best because it's not chemicalized. It's all natural, made from your kitchen. It's something you can afford. It's gonna brighten your skin, glow your skin, give you a smooth, baby, soft skin. Silky smooth, baby, soft skin. It's gonna slough off all dead skin and make your skin products penetrate deep into your pores. And the result is gonna be to die for. So yes, before we go into the video, I'm going to take a few of your moments just to tell you the benefits of exfoliating your skin and why you should incorporate it in your skin care routine. More so, I'm going to give you a brief detail of the benefit of some of the ingredients I'll be using in this scrub. Just some of it, not all of it, just a few of it, okay? Alright, so first one goes like this. So why do you exfoliate your skin? Exfoliating your skin works to remove the top layer of dead and dulling skin cells because when you age, your body slows its shedding process, so therefore you need exfoliating to help you take them off, or else whatever product you use will not penetrate into your skin and you will not see results, therefore thinking that the product is not working. Exfoliating also aids your skin to behave and look younger. Exfoliating your skin purifies infected and clogged, blocked pores. It eliminates infection that is deep in between the surfaces of your skin. It boosts collagen production to smooth away lines and wrinkles and blemishes. It also helps patched skin to blend, the colors to blend and to be uniform as well. So therefore, exfoliation cleans and purifies clogged pores. It slows away dead skin cell, encourages new, fresh cell turnover, new skin cell, helps skincare products to penetrate deeper. It boosts the blood circulation and gives your skin this even, smooth, uniform tone. So next, let's see the benefits of some of our ingredients. Number one, coconut milk. It's good for the hair as well as your body. It's an effective treatment for sun damaged skin. If you have sun damage skin, you can apply coconut milk to cool it and to help fade away the redness of the sunburn area. The fats and the oil in the milk helps reduce redness and restore moisture to the skin. It's rich in vitamin C, E, B1, B3, B5, and B6, as well as iron, selenium, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorate, and it goes on and on. It contributes to a smooth and radiant skin, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, fight herpes, influenza, and even HIV. Yes, consult your doctor for that. Great organic hair conditioner, great source of magnesium, contributes to strong bones, relieves arthritis symptoms, lowers cholesterol, aids in weight loss, makeup remover, prevents balding, anti-aging, da 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 da. It goes on and on. And the next ingredient is alum. Alum is very good for as an aftershave. Yes, you use it for aftershave, especially on the bleeding part, and it helps with preventing bumps from coming up, shaving bumps. You can use alum for your acne. If there's swelling, you can use acne, and acne fades away dark spots. It's actually lightening. And you can use alum as a body deodorant, natural body deodorant. You can use it in your creams, not your creams, sorry. You can use it in your soaps and you can use it in your scrub as well. There's a lot of benefits from alum you need to find out about. For now, I'm just giving you briefs. But alum helps with lightening the skin. It does. Natural body odor. You can use it for your hair as well. There's so much you can do with alum, okay? You can use it for sagging skin, for wrinkle, for cellulite. Look, alum is a very, very good skin ingredient. I wish I had more time to tell you about alum. Maybe in some other video I could do that. But for now, I'm just giving you briefs. Just do yourself a favor and have to do some research about alum. You'll be glad you did. Okay? And our next ingredient is almond oil. Almond oil, as we know, is nutrient rich. It's filled with vitamin A and vitamin E, omega-3 fatty. It improves the complexion and the skin tone. It treats dry skin and is very good for luxurious skin. Yes, that's how brief I can be for now. It treats many skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis. You can name them. Okay, you can name them, and it brightens your complexion natural. That's why they use it for lots of baby products. There's even the milk, you can use the milk for soaps as well, and even you can use the milk for creams as well. Yeah, and shampoo. Good. The next one is coffee. We know what coffee does for the skin. It helps diminishes the appearance of wrinkle. It helps with exfoliation and as well as helps reduce the appearance of stretch marks and cellulite. So with that, you know this coffee, this scrub is gonna be a bump. Let's get to my workstation. Okay, so this is what my scrub looks like. I actually put it in the fridge so it would harden up. Okay, and this is what it looks like. This is what it feels like. It's quite hard, and you don't have to store it in the fridge because you see there's no liquid content, but I had as per preservatives. Yes, you need preservative because when you'll be scooping with your wet hands to scrub in the bathroom, splashes of water from your hands are gonna get in and it will grow molds and bacteria. You don't want that on your skin, so it's best to put preservative to be safe. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, please like this video, share this video. See you all soon. Bye.